Hello, class 6. Today again I want to repeat, not to repeat, that is the important meaning of the chapter 4 Friends. The book is New Radiant Readers, chapter 1. Now students listen carefully. Last day I explained the story. Again today I will explain the story, narrate the story and tell you few important word meanings. Okay, you prepare to write it down. Now, 4 friends, a raven, a mouse, and a tortoise. Name of the story is 4 friends, but in the beginning there were 3 friends. A raven lived in a jungle, a mouse and a tortoise. They all lived in a jungle together. They were great friends and wanted to stay together for their life long. The raven said that it will be his job to see not to take any wrong decision. The tortoise said that it will be its job not to take any hasty decision. Hasty means very quick, without thinking anything, very quick decision. But then how the little mouse will help us? Because 3 friends want to stay together, want to avoid any bad things in their life now, and want to save others. How the little mouse will help us? Raven said that he is sure that they will take use of the sharp teeth of the mouse, because the mouse sharp teeth is very, very useful. Now, the 3 jungle friends gave the slogan because their motto is, their prime function of life is to stand united. So they gave the slogan that united we stand, divided we fall. United we stand, divided we fall. Then they tried to go round and round, but the tortoise was so clumsy and so slow, the tortoise cannot move. And so the friends gave up their plan to going round with the tortoise, and they stopped and they gave the slogan that united we stand, divided we fall. That is, their main motto is to stand united throughout their life. Now all of a sudden they heard the sound of hoops running, of a running animal. Each one hid himself, the mouse in a hole, the tortoise in a pool, and a raven in the foliage of the tree. They peeped out and saw a frightened and timid deer standing few yards away. The raven caught from the tree. That is, the raven gave noise from the tree and said, poor dear, he is so scared. The tortoise from the below said, he is very thirsty. It appears to me that the deer is very thirsty. Let him drink from our pond, suggested the mouse. The raven flew down from his perch and consoled the deer. Don't worry, you are among friends. Do drink as much as you like. Now, then the raven flew down from the perch and came near the deer and said, don't worry, you are among our friends. Do drink as much as you like. Yes, and then tell us what is worrying you, said the tortoise. The tortoise said, tell us, what is the reason why you are so much worried? The deer replied, thank you very much. I feel so safe. Safe from what? Please tell us, asked the tortoise. So the poor deer narrated his tale of woe and told them how he was being chased by a hunter. The deer said that he was chased by a horrible experience by a hunter. Then the raven announced, worry no more. We are now here to help you. Do you know our motto? Then the raven said, to the deer, you don't worry anymore. We are here to save you. Do you know the motto of our life? Now they started to give the shouting. United we stand, divided we fall. Now how wonderful, exclaimed the deer. Can I join with you wonderful friends? Now they swear by the name of God, yes, you join, and our motto is to share unity with all. United we stand, divided we fall. The deer was thrilled hearing this slogan. Now the deer started to give the lead because deer is very fast. He asked the tortoise to rest of them, dancing round and keep time with the paws as they sang. The more we are together, the more we are together, the happier we shall be. The raven then declared, we are now four. Let the jungle know that the more we are together, the stronger we shall be. Now, that is the story. Now, here today I want to give you few important word meaning. Number one, porch, P-O-R-C-H, porch, a covered shelter protecting in front of the entrance of a building. Meaning porch, a covered shelter protecting in front of a entrance of a building. Number two, console, C-O-N-S-O-L-E, console, to comfort someone. Number three, rejoice, R-E-J-O-I-C-E, that is delight. Number four, thirsty, feeling a need to drink something. Number five, clumsy, awkward in movement or in handling things. Awkward, A-W-K-W-A-R-D, awkward in movement or in handling things. What I am telling you, write the meaning. Number one, porch, P-O-R-C-H, not according to book. What I am telling you, P-O-R-C-H, porch, hyphen, a covered, C-O-V-E-R-E-D, a covered shelter projecting in front of the entrance of a building. Number two, console, C-O-N-S-O-L-E, dash, to comfort someone. Number three, rejoice, R-E-J-O-I-C-E, rejoice, dash, delight, D-E-L-I-G-H-T, delight. Thirsty, T-H-I-R-S-T-Y, thirsty, dash, feeling a need to drink something. 5. Clumsy, C-L-U-M-S-Y, clumsy, dash, awkward in movement or in handling things. Awkward, A-W-K-W-A-R-D, awkward in movement or in handling things. Thank you, my students. Next day this story again, and I will give you the important question answer. Okay? See you next day. Thank you.